Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clone Webflow site. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Webflow dashboard, which acts as the home base for all of your projects. Now, locate the thumbnail of the site you wish to clone. Once you've found the correct site, hover over it to click on three dots and open its options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Duplicate. Clicking this will bring you to a new screen where you can fine-tune what gets copied into your cloned site. At this stage, you'll be presented with options including hosting settings, SEO settings, and integration settings. Once you've made your selections, look for the Duplicate Site button. Clicking this will create your clone instantly, carrying over your chosen preferences. And that's it. So that is how you can clone Webflow site. So that's all for this video. Thanks.